mic is working. I want to get started with this quick tutorial on how to install this right here. Easy Order. It's a nice little tool to help place trades on Metatrader, and I've been finding it extremely useful in my trading, and I'm pretty sure you would too. So just to show you some of the functionality, say I wanted to place a sell trade right here, sell limit order at that. I could move this yellow line right there to where I want to get in at. Move my stop loss to say 20 pips. Should be right there. And how it will work is, I move my take profit there. Now, how it will work is, the second that I click submit, it would automatically calculate the appropriate risk size for our 20 pip stop loss there. So if it was 30 pips, it'll calculate for 30 pips and 40 and so on and so on. And that calculation is based on this risk number that you got right here. So that one, for me in particular, is 1%. If you wanted 2%, you could very easily just type in the 2 in there and change it to 2%. The second that I click submit, now our trades are placed. And we can see that down there. Which one is it? The most recent one. So 42 right there. So yeah, so at that point our trades are placed, and if we wanted to cancel, for example, I got 2 trades. I got that buy stop there that I really don't want. You can just as easily close both of these trades. And the good thing about it is, for instance, for our sell trade that we just placed, a sell limit order, it marks the levels for you, so you can always refer back to it. For example, a trade that I took today, I took a short there, and our take profit was down there. So it very easily marks your initial stop loss placement, and that works for me in particular because after a certain amount of pips, I move my stop loss to break even, and I always just like to reference where my stop was, this is good at marking it, your entry and stop and take profit. So without any further ado, let's figure out how to install this. I just right click just to remove this from the chart, but let's figure out how to install this. So first off, where to find it? This is where you can find it. You can find it right here on this link at Forex Factory, this trim right here. So you could type that in, and when you type that in to your browser, this is the page that you're going to get. So you're going to get this page, and if you look down at the attachments, here's the attachment in particular. So once you download that, you're going to get the zip file, and in the zip file you're going to have some contents such as this. Now I'm going to show you in particular where to put this. For me personally, this is my Metatrader that I use, and you could go through my computer and C drive and look for your Metatrader folder in particular, but what I like to do in Windows in particular, I like to right click and then move up to right here to the actual folder, the exercise folder. I just right click again, and then left click on properties, and then left click on open file location, and voila, we're right there where we want to be. Just as if we went through the C and went to our drives and went through that route. So now that I'm here, what I want to do is I want to go into the experts folder, and we want to divide these files. Now this one .dll, that's going into our libraries folder. So we just double click. I already had a file in here, so it's going to say that it's going to say that that I haven't need to replace it. So let me just move and replace it. It's also going to say that my Metatrader is open. Now you want to do this with your Metatrader closed. So I'm going to close it real quick, and then click move and replace. So now it's installed in there. Next we want to go back and install the remaining files. So we just click back, and we go into our scripts. We're going to install this one in scripts, and just highlight those four, move it over, move and replace. Great. So now it's all in there. So once they're installed, you could close out all that if you like, gonna pull back up our Metatrader. So boom, here we go. And to get it on the chart, you wanna click on your folders so you can get your options over here. And in particular, when you click on the script folder, you'll see it there, easy order. Just double click on that, and once it's on your chart, you're good to go. So from this point, just as I showed you, if you wanted to do buy a sell stop at the break below down there, move your take profit down there, and if you wanted to, the break below, you want to just place your sell stop, and just put your buy stop. I mean your stop loss above the swing right there. You just click submit, and that's about it. And you'll have your trade placed. So it's a pretty good tool. It's helped me save a lot of time on placing trades, not using my fingers, or using the calculator, or using whatever else to calculate the lot size, and it just helps. It's pretty convenient, in particular with moving the lines. That's almost even more convenient than placing the trade manually like that, and getting in the right numbers. So this has worked for me, and hopefully it worked for you. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and happy trading. If you need any help, feel free to contact me, elwood@goldenglobemarketing.com. Once again, happy trading. You want, excuse me, had some previous alerts going off.